bored with the same hairstyles every day? We've got you covered. We've got some genius tips and tricks to step up your hair game. If you love hair hacks as much as we do, subscribe to Crafty Hackers and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Alright, here we go! The easy bun. Gather the top half of your hair, brushing out the bumps and tangles. Secure it with a ponytail holder. Separate your hair into 2 parts. Twist the 2 parts together. Keep twisting until you get to the end. Put a hairband at the bottom. Now wrap the hair around itself into a bun. Secure it with bobby pins. That's all there is to it. The vacuum cleaner trick. Take your vacuum hose and put a hair tie on the end. Have a friend gather your hair back. Turn the vacuum on and suck your hair into the hose. The vacuum pulls your ponytail back and holds it in place while you secure the ponytail holder. You've got a ponytail in seconds. Who knew a vacuum could do that? The eyeshadow trick. Want to add a little pizzazz to your hair? All you need is some makeup and a bit of imagination. Get some blush or eyeshadow on a brush, then brush the color into a section of your hair. Repeat with different sections, wherever you want to add a little color. You can even rub the eyeshadow color directly into a section of hair. Doesn't that look easy? Now you're ready for the party, from drab to fab. The fishtail. This look may seem complicated, but it's easy. Just put your hair into a low ponytail. Tease the ponytail with a comb to give your hair some volume. Then separate your ponytail into 2 sections. Pull a smaller section from the back and pull it around and into the center between the 2 bigger sections. Now feed the smaller piece down and around the second section of hair. Weave the smaller section of hair in and around, alternating each bigger section. If you run out of hair, just pick up a new smaller section and keep weaving. When you get to the bottom, secure it with a bobby pin. Add a bow to the top for a more dramatic flare, or a pastel ribbon for a more springtime look. Easy hairstyle for school. This cute look doesn't take long at all. Part your hair down the middle. Take a small section of hair from the front and twist it. Gather another section of hair as you go and add it into the twist. Then add another section. Keep twisting, collecting new sections all the way down. Once you've gathered all the hair on that side, secure it with a hair tie. Repeat on the other side. Keep twisting. Secure the other side with a hair tie. Quick, easy, and so cute. The easy toothbrush trick. Your toothbrush isn't just for your teeth. We've all had that problem when we get our hair in a ponytail. You know what I'm talking about. Flyaway hair. Here's a quick fix. Get your toothbrush wet and use it to brush back those little tiny unruly hairs. Now you've got a sleek, polished ponytail. DIY hair grip. Like this hair grip? Good news, you can make your own! All you need is 2 bobby pins and some ribbon. Cut the ribbon into 3 equal pieces. Add finishing points to the ends by cutting small triangles out. Lay them out flat. Now, take a second length of ribbon. Cut 2 equal sections, about half the size of your first ones. Add the finishing points and flatten them out. Now, take the longer pieces and fold them in half. Hold them together by putting a bobby pin in the center. Take a piece of thread and tie it around the center of the ribbons. Fluff the ends out. Now fold the smaller sections in half the same way. Hold them together with a bobby pin and tie them together with a piece of thread. Use your hot glue gun to glue the smaller ribbons to the larger ones. Hold it in place until the glue cools. Now hot glue the back of the ribbon to your bobby pins. Now you've got a gorgeous, one-of-a-kind DIY hair clip. Glitter. Feeling bored with your hair? Here's an idea. Mix a couple of colors of your favorite craft glitter into a bowl. Mix it together. Put another color in a separate bowl. Now get a makeup brush and a glass of water. Get your brush wet. Dab it into the glitter. Now paint the glitter into your hairline. Use a spray bottle to wet the glitter and fuse it into your hair. Now for the second color and a shimmery top coat. Looks like stardust. So sparkly. Longer hair. Whenever you put your hair up in a ponytail, you lose a bit of length. Here's a hack to keep your length and your ponytail. Gather the top half of your hair, leaving a section underneath. Secure the top half with a hair tie. Now put the bottom half into a separate, much lower ponytail. Now you've got a long, elegant ponytail. See the difference? Felt hair clips. First, you'll need 2 squares of different color felt and 2 plain hair clips. Stencil your design into the felt and cut it out. Place your design on the other color square and trace it out. Mix and match the colors. Grab your hot glue gun and glue the pieces of felt together. Add a drop of hot glue to the end of the hair clip and glue on your design. How cute are these? Let's try them out. These are unique and adorable. The Tic Tac trick. Find yourself always losing bobby pins? We have a solution. Empty out a pack of Tic Tacs. Throw in your loose bobby pins. Now you've got a handy storage container. They fit perfectly. Easy hairstyle. This may look like it was done at the salon, but we'll teach you how to do it at home. All you have to do is gather 2 sections of hair from the front and bring them to the back. Tie the 2 sections together. Pull it tight and secure your design with bobby pins. You've got a gorgeous look that took less than a minute to style. Use hairspray to keep it in place and give it a polished look. Very chic. The perfume trick. Want your hair to smell like you just stepped out of the shower all day? Here's a cool trick. Spray your hairbrush with your favorite fragrance. Brush your hair as you normally would. Now your hair smells as good as it looks. Natural and easy wave. Want to add some beachy waves to your mane? It's super easy. Just spritz your hair with water and twist it. Dry it with your hairdryer, holding the twist together. Do this in small sections throughout your hair. Once it's dry, you'll have these fun little waves. Run your fingers through it to give your hair that naturally wavy look. Looks good up or down. Looks like you spent the day at the beach. The hair twist. Looking for something different? Try this look. First, divide your hair into 3 sections. Secure the middle section with a ponytail holder, but don't pull it all the way through the 3rd time. Do the same with the side sections. It should look like this. Now twist those loose sections into messy buns. Pin them in place with bobby pins. Do this with all 3 sections. Now you've got a clever twist on the hair twist. How to remove split ends. Let's be honest, split ends are not a good look, so use this hack to get rid of them. First, twist a section of your hair tightly. Grab your scissors and trim all the split ends away. You can add a finishing touch by sliding your hair down your finger and snipping any strays away. Now your hair is sleek and shiny. Bye bye split ends! Which hair trick was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. See you next time!